Hello! I have just got my YouTube account and I'm /bang84. This is my first video and I'm going to show you how to make your own tiny Lego helicopter. Okay, let's get this thing started. Here's what you're going to need. A white Super Erling, a white 1x1 plate, a 1x1 charcoal clear gray, slanted piece, a Technic piece, a spy pistol, and also a steering wheel. Sorry about that steering. Okay, so here is how you are going to make this. You are going to take this Super Erling in the 1x1 plate and stick them to each other like that. Then you're going to take the slanted piece and stick it down. We'll attach it to the thing. Sorry about that. And then you're going to attach this at the top, the steering wheel. Then you're going to use the spy pistol and stick it to the side, like that. And there you go, it's a Technic piece. And so, here we go, your helicopter. Side view, front, other side, and back. Goodbye.